When a person with tetraplegia comes into your Pilates studio, what is the first thought that crosses your mind? Where do I start? Or there's not much I'm going to be able to do with him or her. But if we think creatively and use the principles of Pilates to adapt the equipment, there's quite a lot we can do. This is the first of 3 videos with exercises to improve posture, mobility, strength and control of a person with tetraplegia. I'm Martha Arno, physical therapist and physio professional from your channel, Pilates for Everybody. In this video, and lots more to come, you will find ideas of Pilates exercises to work with your clients with physical disabilities. Fernanda has sequelae from neuromyelitis optica, a spinal cord inflammation that causes numbness in the limbs, weakness, and loss of motor control. She came to Pilates to improve her posture. She tends to slouch forward and has a major scoliosis. She has no movement below her navel and her upper limbs are quite compromised. To make her feel more comfortable in her low back and to help me align her hips, I attached 2 leg springs on the top of the Cadillac. I crossed them and attached them to her knees with straps. And I put a ball between her knees so that her legs do not stay in adduction. To help her separate her scapula and open her chest, I put one hand under her scapula and the other hand on the top of the shoulder. And then I pull everything out so her chest opens. And now, how do we start to work her mind-body awareness? With her breathing. That's something a person with tetraplegia still can control, and we can use it to start working her body consciousness. First, I ask her to breathe in 3 times, sending the air to the top of her chest. Then another 3 times, sending the air to her abdomen. And then 3 times, sending the air to her back. Her obliques and back muscles on her left side are stronger and they bring her ribs towards her hips. Her right side can't keep the alignment, thus causing an accentuated scoliosis. To try to improve this scoliosis, I will try to lengthen the shortened side and strengthen the weaker side, doing a 1 to 2 work with more repetitions on the weaker side. And also sees she has much more difficulty with her right arm and that she can activate it more when she uses both arms at once. We do a close stroke, an open stroke, and then I cross the springs so that she can feel the diagonal direction. I put a safety belt on the push-through bar so that she can do an abdominal exercise. I ask her to do the movement with her elbows closed and then the same movement with her elbows open. I use a tactile stimulus to let her know what muscles she should use. It's all about bringing things back into balance, improving that spinal alignment. We have to constantly remember to maintain our patience and self-restraint and resist the urge to assist her too quickly. Because even though she takes much more time to do any movement, she has to try to do it on her own. And now we're going to use the push-through bar with a spring for us to work on strength with a unilateral work. We want to challenge our client, of course, but we have to do it safely, within their limits. I pull her left side a lot to stretch this shortened side. Since her hand grasp is not so good anymore, I could tie it onto the bar, but I'd rather have her work it. Notice how I had to put more hooks so that the spring wouldn't be so heavy. Even so, I needed to help a bit with my hand. Always remember that for her, any movement is a major challenge. Liked it? So subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you get to know about all the courses and workshops that we offer on Pilates for Everyone channel. Any questions or comments? Write them down here and we'll get in touch.